Hello guys, today I'm going to share with you a new product that was released in the detailing industry. The product is called the Buckanizer. The Buckanizer was made by detailing Outlaws, which were members of Microfiber Madness company. The Buckanizer basically is a bucket organizer. Let me open the box so you can appreciate the product. The Buckanizer is made from plastic. Um, it comes in three different colors: black, blue, and red. As you can see, it comes with pre-drilled holes so the water can drop. Um, Here you can, for example, insert towels, brooches, small bottles, etc. And basically, I'm going to be making another video, but basically the idea is that you fit this in the side of the bucket. You can fit four of these in one bucket. These vulcanizers can also fit buckets that have gamma seals. And if you want, you can take the vulcanizer and put it in back inside the bucket. And if the bucket has the grid guard and washboard, it can also fit there, so you don't have any sort of problem. Detailing Outlaws thought about many things that I mentioned, so this item is very versatile and it's going to help carry your stuff around. So let me show you the other two colors. And this one is the blue one. I show you a close-up of the red one. Very cool. I love the vibrant colors of them. It's going to work very well with the new bucket setup that I'm making. I'm going to post another video on that. And here's the blue one. Very cool item to assist you when doing your detailing stuff, like washing your car, washing your wheels. For example, I'm going to use the black one for the new bucket that I'm going to use for cleaning the wheels, and the blue one for washing, and the red one for rinsing the meat or the wash pad. So guys, that's all. Basically, I just wanted to share you how the new Buckanizer is and how it works. I'm going to make another video with my new bucket setup, which is going to consist of different items, but one of them is going to include these Buckanizers. I hope you enjoy and subscribe. Thanks.